How to add the copyright symbol on a photograph in Photoshop. Here's a picture that I took of a prairie dog. There are several ways to add the copyright symbol on your work to protect it. The way I'm going to show you today is to use the Custom Shape Tool library to insert a copyright symbol. So the Custom Shape Tool library is located under the Rectangle Shape Tool. After you select it, you will see in the options bar that you have many choices as far as color, outline, fill. We're going to find the copyright symbol is in the gallery of custom shapes. You do have to scroll down to select it. There it is. Not the registered trademark or the trademark, we want to put the copyright symbol in. So click on the copyright symbol. After you have it selected, your next step is to actually draw the copyright symbol where you want it on top of your picture. So you click and drag the symbol out. But as you can see, you can stretch and distort it. The way you keep it in proportion is to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard as you draw. When you get it the size you want, you let go, and now it's on your picture. I did not change the color, so it just showed up as my foreground fill color as black, because that is what the default is. If I want to change it or move it, I can, because it made a new layer shape. If I want to move it, I need to go get the Move tool and click on it and then move it. If I want to change the color, I need to make sure I'm on the correct layer, shape number 1. I go into my options bar and I have all sorts of colors here. You can also mix a custom color. You can also adjust the outline up here in the options. I think I'll go with a tan color to kind of not stick out too much, but kind of go with the color of the fur on the prairie dog. I want to then change the size of the copyright symbol because I feel like I drew it too big. I want to go to Edit, Free Transform. Then I can resize it a little bit smaller. I want to move it. Again, I need the Move tool. It looks pretty good. Now it shows that my photograph is protected by my copyright. So there's actually a second way to add a copyright symbol with your name. This is also a really good option because many photographers like to include their website or their business name on their photographs, or they can also turn it into a watermark to protect their photographs. So first, I selected color yellow in my options bar. I selected the text tool. I'm picking a font I want. I make sure I have the horizontal text tool selected. I clicked and I dragged the box to the size I want. Photoshop has a default option where it lays in placeholder text of Latin. You can turn this off if it frustrates you, but it is a nice design feature to let you know how large the font will be and how much room it will take up. To add the copyright symbol in a text box, you use the keyboard shortcut Option plus G. It will insert a text tool. Then you can type your name. You'll have to remove some of the placeholder text. For this particular photo, I also added the year I took the photograph. I want to move this text box around a tiny bit. I need to go get the Move tool. Now I'm ready to save. I want to click File, Save As, change the name, the location, and the type of file format so I can save it as a JPEG in high quality. Thanks for watching.